How to install Pixelcut AI app. So if you want to install Pixelcut AI app, then first you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you've checked that, you can go for the search icon and then you can search for Pixel AI Cut AI photo editor, and here you will have Pixelcut AI. So if you want to install this application, tap on install and it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded, you can simply go for open, which will be on the right side, and you can simply tap on open and you can log into your account or sign into your account and you can use your Pixel AI application. So that's it. That's how you install the application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.